She didn't even repost Trisha.
Because she already had a collab with her. She don't have to.
Nobody likes Trisha. Thank you.
Goodness. No, it's just so rude.
Turned into a big argument. One main argument.
How about I talk about
BJ, you been eating the same thing. Get it corn. Look.
talk about something that's going on besides coronavirus?
Thank you.
Why are you acting like that?
Y'all slide down.
Like, people not giving me nothing to talk.
Huh? Just talk to me.
I don't think Grandma want to talk to
It
you.
do taste good when you
I think she want to talk to you. I thought you gave me a video.
And you still looking at the computer, Mom. She just, oh my goodness.
Oh, shoot. I've been looking at the computer, too.
This is a disaster. I don't know. I'm not even sitting down eating while they eat.
Excuse me. Shh.
There's a lot of talking going on.
Yeah.
Tell the story, Mama. Sit down, tell the story. Just tell it.
Just tell a story.
I just cannot be bothered.
No, I'm good.
She thinks she on Instagram Live. That's the problem. And I'm not about to do it.
Yeah, this chicken really good.
Okay, I'm about to jump in. And give my
Chicken good. I'm dropping out.
It's really good. What you making?
You take my plate.
Is it jerk?
Alright.
No, I didn't jerk it. Ooh, stomach.
It is good with the sauce. It's really good with the sauce, actually.
I ain't even tried with this sauce.
Okay, I'm about to jump in.
Get her out of here, though. Hey, let me get to the middle since I'm
I did
eating
not.
seafood.
Hold on.
Hold on, I need more
You have to
chicken.
eat some of these now. You can't use the scissors. What else you need? Put up your plate.
Grandma,
Put that in there.
why would I be in the middle of
You have
BJ?
to jump at it again.
Alright, ready?
BJ, you have to smile and smack and all of that. Use the scissors. You got to do like this with your crab leg.
I'm really crazy. Okay. Hey y'all, I just jumped in.
Yeah, this is my first time trying king crab.
We're trying to BLove sauce.
I have my BLove sauce too, but the difference with me is I'm allergic to seafood, so I'm trying it with chicken. I've already tasted it and I really like it with the chicken.
You do.
I really do. It's really good. And I like how spicy it is. I like spicy.
We have the spicy one, so it's
You like it?
It's not that spicy.
And I'm
Can I get the
BJ's.
scissors, please?
I'm BJ's sister, aka.
Baby Bob.
it looks in the camera.
But it's definitely it's spicy. But I like spicy food. I feel like
I do too.
I feel like it's not. If you enjoy spicy food, then her spicy sauce isn't as spicy.
Hand. My hand is doing better.
Are you gonna tell them how you just cut it again?
No. Oh, I ain't gonna do that. Oh, I did. Trying to throw down for you all. Let's do another what you call it, thumbnail. With your meat. Brownie, come on, do a thumbnail.
I don't even have nothing to do it with.
That sauce has got to.
BJ, your hand is in your face. Brownie, put your hand down a little bit. BJ, put your hand down a little bit.
My face with the sauce.
Put your hand down a little bit. Okay, go. Brownie, you look like this.
I know, cause I just look crazy.
You need to smile. Your smiling will make everything else be beautiful.
So,
Subscribe. Click that subscribe. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also. It's fine.
I'm filming. So we went to Kissimmee, Florida. That was your favorite trip. Cause I like Florida because I like fries. That's why that was my favorite trip.
Whoa.
And we were all in this resort, and I just felt like it was very family time-ish, you know.
oriented.
Hey, BJ, go ahead.
Well, I don't like roller coasters. And I'm afraid of heights, so I don't be messing with them joints. But I enjoyed the Bahamas, the cruise. Good time looking at the water.
Well, I don't know if it was my favorite, but I went to what is that place? Canada.
No.
To Niagara Falls. Y'all can't talk when I'm talking because I can't cut your voice. I can't cut your voice. Went to Niagara Falls one year. And it was so beautiful. That was one of my dream trips, and it was just so beautiful.